Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to the KodeKloud channel. This is Michael Forrester here to talk about a new topic today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. All right, so today we're going to dive into a hot topic in the tech industry, DevOps as a career. We're going to be talking about the pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right path for you. And being a 25 plus year veteran in DevOps, let's talk about it. So let's get started. All right, first pro. Number one, high demand. First up on the pros list is just high demand for DevOps professionals. They want people who understand build tools. They want to understand people who understand how to orchestrate all this, people who know how to make it smooth and frictionless for developers and know how to do this out across all infrastructure. So with more and more companies adopting these DevOps practices, there's a growing need for skilled and evolving professionals in this field. This means more job opportunities for you. Number two, good pay. So along with high demand, DevOps roles often come with attractive salary packages. We'll talk about why that is in the cons later. But according to Glassdoor, the average salary for a DevOps engineer in the United States is well above the national average. So that can work in your favor. Number three, you will not be bored. There is a variety of work. You're not just stuck doing one thing. You'll be involved in various stages of the software development process, from coding to testing to deployment and monitoring. This variety can make your work far more interesting and challenging than just doing one thing. Number four, constant learning. If you love constant learning, the DevOps field is always evolving with new tools and practices. This means you're always going to be learning, you'll always be growing, you're going to be keeping your skills updated and fresh. Okay. So that's four real easy pros for a career. What about cons? What about arguments against? So first of all, it can be high stress. DevOps roles are often dealing with tight deadlines and high expectations. Plus, if something goes wrong in production, it's usually on you to fix it. So if you don't love being in the middle of firefighting, you're probably not going to love a DevOps engineering career, at least not occasionally. The other part is that you have on-call duties. Many DevOps roles require you to be on call, and usually you're on call for a period of time. It's not always 24/7, maybe a week on, a week every month, every weekend. It does mean also, by the way, if things go really wrong, you're gonna have to be available to handle emergencies even during off hours. This can really impact your work-life balance, so you wanna just kind of keep that in mind or set really good boundaries around it. The other thing is that rapid changes. So while constant learning can be a pro, the rapid changes in the DevOps landscape can also be a negative. It can be challenging to keep up with the latest tools and the latest practices, and there's always pressure to deliver faster and more efficiently. There also is this other con, which is called high responsibility. So with great power comes great responsibility. We already referred to the stress piece, but in DevOps, just know that the reason that stress is so high is that you're often responsible for both development and operations. So this means if something goes wrong, it doesn't necessarily fall directly on your shoulders or directly on your team's shoulders, but you have to get involved for that. So there you have it, a few pros and cons of a career in DevOps. It's a challenging field, can also be very rewarding. And as with any career, it's important to weigh these factors and decide if they fit for you. So that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends considering a career in DevOps, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. Thanks for watching.